All right, so let's look at another example of how to solve a log. When we have all the same base, but it's written out in an expanded form, we want to get it condensed. So we've got to use a couple different rules here. First thing I see is I need to get this as a log with no number in front and just a single log of base 1.1. Well, this 2 is actually the exponent, so we can put it back up here. So I'm going to get log 1.1 to x plus 2, well, log base 1.1 of x plus 2 squared equals, now let's do this, log 1.1. I've got a plus, so that means I want to multiply, and then this 2 comes up here, and it's an exponent. So I'm going to have x plus 2 times x minus 4 squared. All right, so now that we've got this down to a single log on both sides, we're going to take the insides right here. We're going to set them equal to each other and solve. So we have x plus 2 squared equals x plus 2 x minus 4 squared. Now, me and a different math teacher, we solved it 2 different ways. I'm going to solve it the way that most of the kids would solve this, not as a math person would, a math major, somebody who has a degree in this would solve it. So most high school kids are going to want to expand these. So we're going to expand everything out. When I do that, I'm going to get x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals, let's see, this is going to be x plus 2, and then this is going to be x squared minus 8x plus 16. And then we've got to FOIL this. So I'm going to get, still on this side, x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals, let's see, this is going to be x cubed minus 8x squared plus 16x plus 2x squared minus 16x plus 32. All right, now we just got to clean this up. So I've got x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals, well, I only have 1x cubed. I've got a negative 8x squared and a positive 2x squared, so this is negative 6x squared. I have a 16x minus 16x, so that goes away, and I have plus 32. Now all I need to do is get the set equal to 0, so I'm going to subtract all of this and bring it over here. So I'm going to get, let's move all these over here. So I've got negative x cubed, because I subtracted it. See, negative 6x, so I want to add 6x, so I've got a positive 7x squared. I have a plus 4x, because there's no x over here. And when I bring this over, I've got a negative, what is that, 28. And that is going to equal 0. Well, I have 4 terms, so we can factor by grouping. So this has got a negative x squared in it, so we can take that out, and that's going to give me just simply x minus 7. We can take a 4 out of this, plus 4. This gives me x minus 7 equals 0. Therefore, I'm going to have factors of 4 minus x squared and x minus 7. I just used the commutative property and rewrote this, equals 0. From here, we just simply use our zero product property. We have 4 minus x squared equals 0 and x minus 7 equals 0. We can see that this is going to be x equals plus or minus 2 and x equals 7. All right, now that I have possible candidates for a solution, I need to figure out which ones are my answer. So what does x actually equal, and do I have any extraneous solutions? So let's look. Let's start with negative 2. If I put negative 2 here, I got a problem. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 is not greater than 0, so negative 2 is going to be an extraneous solution. Let's check 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. That's good. Put here 2 plus 2, that's 4. That's good. 2 minus 4, that's negative 2. That's no good. So 2 is an extraneous solution. So I put 7 here. That's good. That gives me 9. That's good. That gives me 9. This gives me 3. So there's actually only one answer, x equals 3. You have 2 extraneous solutions and 1 actual solution. So this is how most kids would have solved it. Another way you could have done it up here is just divide by x plus 2, bring it over here, and you would have just had x plus 2 equals x minus 4 quantity squared, and expand that and go their way. You get the same answer. Most high school kids don't see that. They're going to just FOIL everything out like this and go from there to solve it. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.